હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, બધા જાગો છો ને? ગુડ મોર્નિંગ એન્ડ હેપી ફ્રેન્ડશિપ ડે.
Good morning, sir.
Today we will learn two practicals. First is Gehrig Shodhan and second is Gandhak Shodhan. Gandhak and Gehrig are the drug categorized under a Upras work. Gehrig Shodhan. Gehrig references are available extensively in Charak Samhita and other texts. It is an oxide of iron having red color and generally in a powder form. Chemically, it contains 70% iron and 30% oxygen. And chemical formula is Fe2O3. I repeat, Fe2O3. It is also known as ochre and hematite. कर्म चक्षुष्य रक्तस्तंभक uses रक्तपित्त हिक्का वमन कंडू and विष नाशन. एम टू डू गैरिक शोधन. रेफरेंस रस रत्न समुच्चय चैप्टर नंबर 3 श्लोक नंबर 49. प्रिंसिपल भावना ट्राइचुरेशन. गैरिक तु गवा दुग्धे दुग्धे भावितम शुद्धि रुच्यति. अशुद्ध गैरिक अशुद्ध गैरिक 1 part गोदुग्ध for भावना purpose. Method: भावना is given with गोदुग्ध 3 times. अशुद्ध गैरिक क्या करना है? अशुद्ध गैरिक लेना है, उसको अच्छी तरह से ट्राइचुरेट करना है, उसके बाद गोदुग्ध की 3 भावना देनी है. ऑर्गेनोलेप्टिक टेस्ट: रूप लाइट रेड, रस मधुर, कषाय. ऑब्जर्वेशन: कलर चेंज ब्रिक रेड टू लाइट रेड आफ्टर यूरिन भावना. प्रिकॉशन: add गोदुग्ध in a required quantity. भावना should be given properly. गुण स्निग्ध, वीर्य शीत. डोज 2 to 4 रति. अनुपान गोदुग्ध. फॉर्मुलेशन: पुष्यानुक चूर्ण, इरिमदादी तेल, ज्वरांकुश रस, कृमि घातिनी गुटिका, गिरिकाद्य प्रलेप, कामदूधा रस.
So Geric is one of my personal favorite drug. Geric I use as Kamdudaras very frequently. I have mentioned the many a times that Geric can be used in the form of Kamdudaras to treat even oral cancers. So these many are the formulations which we use very frequently. Pushyanuk Churna. Pushyanuk Churna is indicated mainly in Rakta Pradar. Pushyanuk Churna is used in Rakta Pradar. Rakta Pradar is defined as heavy blood flow from the vaginal route. So in this condition, normally it can be subcategorized as heavy menstrual flow or even up to the stage 3 and stage 4 cancer of uterus. So to treat or to control such conditions of uterine abnormalities, we can use Pushyanuk Churna very effectively. The dose is around 3 to 5 gram twice or thrice a day. Number 2 is Irimidaditel. Again, Irimidaditel is an oral preparation. It can be used many ways. It can be used to apply in a variety of oral disorders including oral carcinomas. I have seen many a times that even after reoccurrence of cancer patients, reoccurrence means once patient was already treated with some specific conditions of cancer, the cancer was removed with the help of surgery, followed by chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Even after that, sometimes it reoccurs. In such reoccurrence, when we prescribe irimidati for local application in the form of local application or gandush, and internally we advise kamduda ras along with guduchi sattva. So I have seen patients, they get recovered very quickly, or the condition of the patient removes as it is, it remains as it is for years. So we can control such oral carcinoma very effectively. Number three is Jwarankush Rasa. As we have seen, Rasgun Virya Vipak, Virya is Shita and Guna is Snigdha. So they are opposite to the Guna of Pitta. So when, especially when the Jwara is Pittolbana, especially in the month of September, Sharad Rutu, Jwar is mostly Paitik Jwara. So to control such Paitik Jwara, Jwarankush Ras is a wonderful remedy. Likewise, Krimi Ghatini Gutika, which can be used for controlling different types of Krimi. I hope you guys know what is Krimi now. Krimi is a group of helminths, or it can be subcategorized in some types of other infections as well. So to control such conditions, Krimi-Gatini Gutika is prescribed. And Gairikadya Pralepa. It is a topical lepa kalpana, which is used in variety of skin disease, skin disorders. So overall, if you observe this practical, one of very easy practical, Gairi come to Gawar Dugde. This reference which is on your screen is from our AA5 Ayurvedic Formulary of India. So you can write this in exam as well. Geri come to Gavadugde Bhavitam Shuddhi Murchati. It says we can purify Geri just by three bhavana of Godugdha. This is a practical picture of our departmental lab itself. The dose, if it is given internally, is approximately 2 rati. Normally it is 2 rati, that makes around 250 milligram, but it can be given up to 4 rati, that is 500 milligram. Because it is in higher dose, we can, because it contains mainly iron, we can give it up to 4 rati, and it is very safe. So this is it about Gairik Shodhan. Do you have any doubts? Then you can ask me.